My name is Skylar with Ignite Attachments, and this is sweeper bucket maintenance. Right here I already have the broom torn down, replacing the wafers. You're going to start by stacking two bristles side by side, and this would be the sprocket end or drive end of the broom. And after you stack those first two, you're just going to stack up alternating spacer and wafer until you get to the end. 2 or 3 remaining bristles stacked on each other. Put your retaining plate on, put your lock ring back on, then you're going to put your bearing back on, and the little flanged piece of the bearing faces outward. Always put a little grease on the shaft before putting the bearing on, just makes it a little easier to get on and back off if you ever need to do this again. You can use a large socket to help tap this bearing on. After you get the bearing and locking ring back on, you can lower the hood over the bristles. Reinstall the 3 bolts that hold the bearing carrier for either end of the drum. After your bolts are tight, you can reinstall your drive sprocket, making sure to line it up with the sprocket that is on the hydraulic motor up above it. Keep these in line to avoid damaging your attachment. Tighten all the Allen bolts on the sprockets. Reinstall your chain. Tension your chain by adjusting the bolts on the drive motor and rotating your drive motor. Reinstall your chain guard and you're good to go. If you need to change your cutting edge or you want to reverse it, since this is reversible, I blocked up our bucket here, and that way you have access underneath your cutting edge. Put a bolt on either end. It'll help hold it up while you install your other bolts, torqued to 65 to 70 foot-pounds.